Hi and welcome to FitbeWell recipes. In this video, we'll be making the dairy-free vegan version of mayonnaise in less than 10 minutes. It's been quite long that I stopped buying ready-made mayo, which contains ridiculous amounts of oil and preservatives to improve shelf life. The best part about this mayo is that it's quick to make, has no eggs, milk, sugar or oil. Once you make a batch, you can easily keep it stored for 12 to 13 days. Emphasis here is on using any plant-based milk instead of the regular milk. I'll be using roughly 150 grams of cashew nuts soaked for about 5 minutes. Cashew nuts are higher in calories as compared to regular milk, but they have better quality of unsaturated fats and iron in them. If you're lactose intolerant, you can still enjoy them in your sandwiches and dips. Juice of half a lemon. Around 5 to 6 small cloves of garlic, 2 soft de-seeded dates. I've used half a teaspoon of chaat masala, whereas you can choose any other flavoring substance here. Half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm moving on to add all the ingredients into the mixer and blend them. This recipe was actually a serendipity for me because once I ran out of mayo and I still badly wanted to use it in my sandwich. There goes the lemon juice. So you see, I've added all the ingredients and I'm adding a bit of chaat masala right now. We're just adding a little bit of water in order to get the mayo consistency. Let's add the salt. And we are ready to grind them all. Let's see if our mayo is done. So you can see I've got the right kind of mayo consistency here. Here's a closer look of how our mayo has turned out to be. There we go with the perfectly creamy texture of the mayo without having to add even a single drop of oil. If you already have almond milk at home, you're free to use that instead of these cashew nuts. You don't have to add any extra amount of oil since cashew nuts will give out their own natural oils here. Now I'm going to transfer this mayonnaise into a jar. Trust me, this mayo tastes exactly like the store-bought mayo. This gives you about 200 grams of mayo that you can easily store in an airtight jar and keep it refrigerated if you want to use it for about 13 to 14 days. Remember to use moderately though, because skipping unhealthy ingredients isn't a license to overeat, right? So you have a batch of creamy and delicious mayonnaise ready for you. Do try this recipe for yourself and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it across with your friends. And if you're here for the first time, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for dropping by, and you can also visit my website FitbeWell, where I talk about health, fitness and recipes. Stay tuned for my next video, and until then, bye bye and take care.